Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you taking your blood pressure medication in the morning or at night? It sounds like a simple choice, but science says the timing could actually save your life. In this video, we're diving into the best time to take your BP meds in this time for maximum heart protection. Let's find the perfect timing for you.
Number 1. Coricidin HBP decongestant-free cough and cold medicine. When managing high blood pressure, the switch type of your medication matters immensely. Standard cold medicines often contain decongestants like pseudoephedrine, which can spike blood pressure, essentially overclocking your heart in a dangerous way. Coricidin HBP is specifically engineered to be decongestant-free, providing a safe layout for those with hypertension. It targets cough, runny nose, and sneezing without the cardiovascular side effects of traditional cold remedies. The build quality of this medicine focuses on high-efficacy relief for cold symptoms while maintaining heart safety. For the professional or gamer who cannot afford a latency in their health, Coricidin offers a reliable, low-risk solution. It remains the gold standard for hypertensive patients seeking relief from seasonal illnesses.
Product number 2. Prestige Medical Premium Aneroid Sphygmomanometer. For those who prefer a tactile analog experience over digital automation, the Prestige Medical 882-AQS is a high-grade mechanical tool. Much like a premium mechanical keyboard, this aneroid sphygmomanometer offers a satisfying level of manual control and feedback. The build quality features a nylon cuff and a high-precision manometer, finished in an attractive aqua sea color that adds a professional aesthetic to your health kit. The layout includes a large, easy-to-read dial and a durable carrying case for portability. In the world of 2026 health tech, many users still trust the mechanical accuracy of a manual cuff over electronic sensors, which can sometimes provide ghosting or inconsistent readings. This adult-size cuff is designed for longevity and repeated use, making it a valuable investment for those who take their monitoring seriously. It provides a professional-grade actuation that ensures you get the most accurate data possible during every check.
Product number 3. Microlife Replacement Blood Pressure Cuff, Extra Large. Comfort and fit are the ergonomics of blood pressure monitoring. If your cuff is too small, it can cause falsely elevated readings, the medical equivalent of a key jam on a cheap board. The Microlife Extra Large Replacement Cuff, 12.6 to 20.5 inches, is built for those who require a broader layout for their monitoring hardware. The build quality is robust, utilizing heavy-duty Velcro and premium tubing to ensure an airtight seal during inflation. This cuff is compatible with Microlife digital monitors, allowing you to upgrade your existing setup without replacing the entire console. For individuals with larger arms, this extra large size is not a luxury, but a necessity for accuracy. The soft cuff design minimizes skin irritation, ensuring a smooth, tactile experience during the measurement cycle. It offers exceptional value by providing the precise fit required for clinical-level results at home, ensuring your data remains reliable and consistent over time.
Product number 4. Microlife Replacement Blood Pressure Cuff, Standard Size. The Microlife Standard Size Replacement Cuff, 8.7 to 16.5 inches, represents the TKL of the blood pressure world, a standardized, highly efficient layout that fits the majority of users. Built with the same attention to detail as its larger counterpart, this cuff features high-quality fabric and reinforced stitching to survive thousands of inflation cycles. It serves as a perfect replacement or backup for your primary digital monitor. The connector is designed for a plug-and-play experience with compatible Microlife machines, ensuring zero input lag between the cuff and the digital reading. Accuracy is the primary goal here. A properly sized standard cuff provides the correct pressure distribution needed for an authentic reading. For the average user, this cuff offers the best balance of comfort, durability, and value. It's a dependable component of any home health workstation, ensuring that your daily monitoring remains as precise as a well-calibrated mechanical switch.
Product number 5. GIFM 2PC A5 Blood Pressure Logbooks. Logging your data is the macro recording of your health journey. The GIFM A5 blood pressure logbooks provide a physical layout for tracking daily recordings, heart rate, and notes over time. These spiral-bound books are designed for durability, featuring a compact size that fits into a laptop bag or nightstand drawer. With 2 books included, you have a long-term storage solution for your vital signs. The interior layout is intuitive, with dedicated columns for AM and PM readings, ensuring you can track the best time to take blood pressure meds by analyzing your trends. While digital apps exist, many users prefer the tactile feedback of writing down their numbers, as it creates a permanent, non-volatile record to show doctors during checkups. The spiral binding allows the book to lay flat, making it easy to write in. For those who value organized data and long-term monitoring, these logbooks are an essential, high-value addition to your health ecosystem.